Although there were quite a few people, everyone still got to experience it. The noodles were very springy. The flowing noodles were also delicious. The staff were friendly and patient. One of the seniors is so entertaining while guiding us and even giving us tips on how to pose for photos. We really enjoyed the whole experience. Dai. $70. It was cold up in the mountains, but the staff were very welcoming. The flowing ramen and scallion pancakes were a fun experience. Remember to add chili, but the auntie in number 39's handmade chili and homemade scallion pancakes were truly unique. From noodle making instructions to one-on-one instruction from the chef, who also helps take beautiful photos, to finally finishing with a refreshing and delicious smooth noodle dish. This activity is perfect for families or friends to participate in. The staff are very friendly and willing to help, and you can also buy a variety of noodles and small-scale agricultural products on site. It in number 39's very rich. The handmade and tasting time is less than 1.5 hours, which is very suitable for arranging other itineraries to play. Suitable for the whole family, the staff are excellent at taking photos and will guide you on poses and scenes to create wonderful memories. Tilda. The program Flow and Flow were well planned, demonstrating their experience and continuous improvement. The staff were humorous and engaging, providing guidance and common knowledge about noodle making during the event. The environment was family-friendly and clean, with a play area for children. The staff were lovely and helpful during the event, helping with photos and providing guidance, which kept the atmosphere relaxed. The DIY products were delicious and easy for the whole family to enjoy. I highly recommend this event. This time, on my birthday, I wanted to try making noodles and eating the convection noodles. The process of shaking, pulling and releasing the noodles was quite fun, but unfortunately, due to the sudden water shortage, I was unable to experience the convection noodles. However, the merchant explained it immediately and refunded and compensated. We originally made an appointment at 10 o'clock, but we took a wrong turn and drove for half an hour longer, so we were late. However, the service staff helped us arrange the next session. The time and staff allocation were very good, so we didn't have to wait too long. Every process was smooth and the children were very happy.